Hello everyone, this is Deep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'm going to show you how to create GL account categories, which are very important when you are going to create new GL accounts in Business Central. By the way, if you want to learn everything about creating a new GL account in Business Central, I did a whole video on that. The link will be in the description down below. Okay, let's get into this video. I'm going to go into the chart of accounts just to give you an idea of the categories and the subcategories that exist. So let's open up one of these here. So as you can see, we've got the account category and the account subcategory. Now, in the account category, if you look at it, you will see we already have six predefined options that has been created in Business Central. So you cannot really, as a user, create a new account category. But if we look at account subcategory, you will see now you've got a lot of options here. And this is actually what you can create in Business Central. It's the account subcategory. So we are going to create a new category for the GL account. What we're going to do is we click on finance and we're going to click on GL account categories. Now, obviously, this depends on the roles that you have in Business Central as well as the access that you have. Obviously, if you do not have access to the finance part of Business Central, you will not have access to this. I also did a whole other video on how we can choose different roles, and if you're an admin, how you can do that in Business Central. The link will be in the description down below. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here as you can see, we've got the account category here. So the assets, liabilities, so these are the six account categories that has already been predefined in Business Central. And then on the left here, we've got these subcategories where you can then go ahead and create new ones. So let's say for this one, we're going to create an expense, okay, like a new expense. Let's say we're going to create one that we want under the insurance expense because we've got insurance expense that is already here. Let's say we want to create building insurances and car insurances that will come under the insurance expense section. So what we're going to do first is we're going to click on the edit list, and this will give you this layout here. Now this is very important, so make sure you've got this layout open whenever you want to create a new GL account category in Business Central. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the place where we want to add the new category that we are going to create. So here we're going to just select insurance, and then you will see we're going to click on new, and it will automatically under it add a new field that then you can fill in with the appropriate information. So let's say for the name, it is building renters, and as you can see, it is already an expense, so you don't have to touch that. And let's say now we want to create another one. As we said, we want to create car insurances, so you can go ahead, click on new, and do the same for car insurances. Again, this is already an expense that we've created. Now, as I was saying again at the beginning of this video, we want both of these insurances to be under the insurance expense category, but right now they are not. They are being considered as separate from the insurance expense category. So how we're going to do that is very simple. You're just going to select the line that you want to create as a subcategory to a main category, and then you're just going to click on indent, and you will see it has now put the building insurances under the insurance expense, which has in turn turned this insurance expense into a main category. And you can also go ahead and do the same for the car insurances. You can click on in, and you will see now both building and the car insurances are now under the insurance expense. And you can choose to do that for any other new GL account categories that you are going to create in Business Central. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to link a GL accounts for each of these subcategories. So for instance, in this one, we can then click here and you will see now we have the complete chart of accounts that is open here. So this is all the list of the account that exists. Right now, I currently do not have the account that I'm looking for to link the building and the car insurances. But if you've created a category that can link to that, you can definitely go ahead and link it here. And you can do the same for this one. And once this is done, you will see it will not update the balance here because again, these are being considered under the main GL category of insurance expense. So what you will need to do is actually write the GL account number for both building insurance and car insurance here so that the final balance is reflected here. And this is how you go about adding a new GL account category to a main category in Business Central. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.